हम चाहते हैं कि ये चुनाव अक्टूबर-नवंबर में कराए जाए।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has asked for assembly elections to be held in Delhi along with Maharashtra, where a new house must be elected before November 26th. However, the term of the Delhi Assembly ends only on February 23rd, 2025. So who decides when assembly elections will be held in Delhi? Let's understand all of that in this video. Under Article 324 of the Constitution, the powers of superintendence, direction and control of elections are vested in the Election Commission of India. The ECI works backwards from the date on which the 5-year term of the existing House ends, ensuring that the election process is completed before then. However, Section 15(2) of the Representation of the People Act 1951 says the election cannot be notified less than 6 months before the end of the term of the Assembly, unless the Assembly is dissolved before it completes its term. So can a Chief Minister force ECI to hold an election before it is due? Well, Article 174(2)(b) of the Constitution says the Governor may from time to time dissolve the Legislative Assembly. The Council of Ministers can recommend dissolution of the House to the Governor before the end of its term, forcing a decision. And once the Assembly has been dissolved, the ECI has to conduct fresh elections within 6 months. And this has happened before. In September 2018, the Telangana Cabinet, led by then Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, recommended the dissolution of the Assembly, whose term was to end in June 2019. The Governor accepted the recommendation and Assembly elections were held in 2018. But Delhi is not a full state. In Delhi, the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991 applies. While Section 6(2)(b) of the Act says that the LG may from time to time dissolve the Assembly, even if a Chief Minister of Delhi recommends the dissolution of the Assembly, the final say is the centre's through the LG. In any case, in the present situation, Arvind Kejriwal has only said he will resign as the Chief Minister and has asked for early elections. He does not appear to be planning to recommend the dissolution of the Assembly. So what is the current state of preparedness for elections in Delhi? Delhi is not preoccupying the ECI currently. The ECI is currently engaged in conducting the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, where voting in the first phase will take place on September 18th. 2 more phases will be held on September 25th and October 1st. Voting in Haryana will follow on October 5th, and counting in both Haryana and J&K will be held on October 8th. Elections to the Maharashtra and Jharkhand assemblies are due next. The terms of these 2 houses will end in November and January 2025 respectively. Usually, a special summary revision of the electoral roll starts a few months before elections are due. The electoral roll of Maharashtra has already been published with the eligibility date of July 1st, which means those who have turned 18 by that date have had a chance to enroll. The rolls of J&K, Haryana, Maharashtra and Jharkhand were published in August. For all other states and union territories, including Delhi, the annual revision with the eligibility date of January 1st, 2025 will be published on January 6, 2025 as per instructions issued by the ECI.